The Marriott Marquis, Washington, D.C. is one of the best positioned hotels in Washington, D.C. as far as I'm concerned. It's close to pretty much everything, and it makes your trip to D.C. very easy to navigate. If you're coming to Washington for a conference, which was the case with me and my wife, the convention center is right next door, and there's even a tunnel if it's raining that you don't even have to go outside to get to. If you're coming to catch a game at the Capital One Arena or just coming to check out the sights, this hotel is in a great spot for you also. The Marriott Marquis, Washington, D.C. is within walking distance to the Smithsonian Museums, Ford's Theater, the Capitol Building, and the Washington Monument, as well as the National Mall, just to name a few of the sites. So you truly are close to pretty much anything. There's even some really good food, such as the Unconventional Diner, which is shown here. Along with the location, the hotel is beautiful. When you walk in, you're greeted with a large open atrium, which has a bar and a few restaurants inside. My wife and I really enjoyed this hotel and would highly recommend it if you were planning a trip to DC. So let's go take a look at the room now. This is room 4067 at the Marriott Marquis in Washington, D.C. So right when you come in the door, you've got your bathroom here. It's a pretty nice size, single vanity, lots of good lighting. Over here you've got the shower. Water pressure was great, temperature was good. Our door didn't really shut, but it didn't really seem to cause any problems with too much stuff getting wet. They've got your products, your shower gel and your shampoo and conditioner. Right across from the bathroom you've got the closet. It's got the safe and a full-length mirror, some closet space, pretty good size. Right next to that we've got the coffee, water. There's a refrigerator down here below. Didn't get super cold, but that was all right. A little barn door for the bathroom. Not my favorite, but that seems to be pretty popular, so I guess I need to deal with it. We've got our TV over here, lots of drawer space, nice desk for doing some work, another mirror, another little drawer over there. Nice chair to sit in. The bed is a pretty good size, really comfortable. Didn't have any problem sleeping last night. A lot more mirrors, so there's a lot of mirrors in this room, which is really nice. There's some good drawer space over here. So we are on the 4th floor, and pretty good view to the atrium of the hotel. So you could have a room facing the atrium, or you could have a room facing the city. This is pretty cool view. Lots of light comes in. I didn't know if it would be very noisy at night with all the people out there being right there, but I didn't really hear anything last night, so that was really nice. So all in all, pretty good room.